Before you buy a rear-view mirror camera, there's one thing nobody tells you on the product page. Most of them look great in ads, but fail when you actually need them, like at night, during sudden braking, or when your phone can't connect. I found out the hard way. Today, I'm showing you which ones actually deliver. Product number 1, WLFBOX G840S. The WLFBOX G840S caught my eye with its massive 12-inch display. That's 1.5 times bigger than a regular mirror, and 4K front recording. At $166.74, it sits right in the sweet spot between budget and premium. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lenses cover nearly your entire blind zone. That means when you're backing out of a tight spot or changing lanes, you're not guessing, you're seeing. The 4K resolution isn't just for show. It lets you zoom in and still read a license plate from 30 feet away. Plus, the built-in GPS shows your speed and location in real time, which could be crucial if you ever need evidence. With over 3,000 sold last month, it's clearly resonating with drivers who want reliability without breaking the bank. Now, some people complained about the Wi-Fi connection dropping occasionally. Here's the thing though, it uses 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, which is faster but has shorter range. If your phone isn't right near the mirror, it might struggle. But once connected, the app works smoothly for playback and sharing. It's not a deal breaker unless you're constantly walking away with your phone while trying to review footage. This is perfect for you if you drive a car or truck and want a true mirror replacement with GPS and night vision. Skip this one if you need ultra-stable phone connectivity from the back seat. For the price, it's a solid all-rounder with few compromises. Product number 2, WLFBOX G930. The WLFBOX G930 is nearly identical to the G840S but comes with double the storage, a 64 GB card instead of 32 GB, and a slightly more compact 10-inch screen. Still priced at $166.74, it feels like WLFBOX tweaked the formula based on real user feedback. The key upgrade here is practical. 64 GB means you can record over 2 hours of 4K footage before it starts overwriting. That's huge if you drive long routes or park in sketchy areas and want to keep more history. The WDR technology balances bright headlights and dark shadows better than basic HDR, so night driving doesn't turn into a washed-out mess. And like its sibling, it includes GPS tracking and loop recording with G-sensor protection, so any sudden impact locks the video instantly. Now, some users mention the touchscreen can lag when switching between front and rear views. Here's the thing though, it's not slow enough to miss a critical moment, but if you're used to smartphone-level responsiveness, it might feel sluggish. Still, for a mirror cam, functionality beats flash. This is perfect for you if you prioritize storage and clean night footage over screen size. Skip this one if you need instant touch response or plan to use voice commands heavily. It doesn't have that feature. It's a smart evolution of WLFBOX's design, not a revolution. Product number 3, Pelsi S12 Pro. The Pelsi S12 Pro stands out with its SDARVIS2 sensor, a big deal in low-light imaging. At $192.40, it's the priciest here, but it brings tech usually found in high-end dash cams. If you drive at night often or park in dimly lit areas, this sensor alone might justify the cost. You'll see actual colors of cars, clothing, or signs, details that matter in an incident. Combine that with 4K front and 1080p rear recording, ADAS alerts for lane departure and forward collision, and voice control, and you've got one of the most proactive safety systems on this list. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi transfers files at 20 MBs, so downloading evidence takes seconds, not minutes. Here's the thing though, most mirror cams need this for true 24/7 monitoring. Pelsi at least makes it clear up front. If you don't plan to hardwire, you'll miss out on time-lapse parking surveillance, which is a real bummer for city drivers. This is perfect for you if you want top-tier night performance and driver assistance features. Skip this one if you're not willing to install a hardwire kit or prefer plug-and-play simplicity. It's premium, but it earns the price. Product number 4, Pelsi P12 Pro. The Pelsi P12 Pro drops the price to $128.26 while keeping core features like 4K front recording, ADAS, and voice control. It's the budget-friendly sibling to the S12 Pro, but don't sleep on it. It still packs a 12-inch touchscreen and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi with 20 Mbps download speeds. The voice control works reliably with 9 commands like take picture or lock video, so you keep hands on the wheel. And with GPS tracking and loop recording, it covers all the basics for evidence protection. The 32GB card is smaller than others, but enough for daily commutes. Now, some users reported the rear camera cable feels flimsy during installation. Here's the thing though, it's not breaking during normal use, but if you're routing it through tight panels, be gentle. It's a minor build quirk, not a functional flaw. This is perfect for you if you want smart safety tech without overspending. Skip this one if you need maximum storage or plan to record long road trips daily. It's the best value if you want ADAS under $130. Product number 5, WLFBOX G850 Pro. The WLFBOX G850 Pro is the flagship here. $218.05 gets you everything: ADAS, BSD voice control, 64GB card, and a 12-inch IPS touchscreen. If you want the full suite of driver aids in a mirror form, this is WLFBOX's answer. That means the camera doesn't just record, it actively helps you avoid accidents. The dual-channel 4K front and 1080p rear recording uses WDR HDR to handle harsh lighting, and the supercapacitor, instead of a battery, handles extreme temperatures better, a real plus if you live in hot or cold climates. Now, some users said the voice control can mishear commands in noisy traffic. Here's the thing though, it works best in quiet cabins. If you're blasting music or driving on rough roads, you'll need to speak clearly. It's helpful, not hands-free perfection. This is perfect for you if you want maximum safety features and don't mind paying extra. Skip this one if you only need basic recording, you're overpaying for features you won't use. It's the most complete package, but only worth it if you'll actually use ADAS and BSD. So which one should you get? The Pelsi P12 Pro wins on value, great tech under $130. The WLFBOX G840S is the best all-around pick for most drivers. Need top night vision? Go Pelsi S12 Pro. Want max safety features? The G850 Pro delivers. And if storage matters most, the G930's 64GB gives you peace of mind.